Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you where you can find a compact mode for browsing in the Zen browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, you will find the compact mode here on the left hand side. So in the sidebar of the Zen browser, launch the Zen browser on your device, and in the very top left corner you will see, for example, these three dots, and then you will see also this button here next to it, toggle compact mode. So what you want to do is click into it, and this will technically hide the sidebar. You can enable it back again by toggling off the compact mode, or by hovering mouse over the left edge of your display, and that is going to, let me just turn it on back again, or turn the toggle mode off, and that is going to, as you can see, pin the sidebar here so that it now doesn't disappear anymore. So it's up to you guys if you like the left sidebar or not. That's how it works. That's how you enable the compact mode on Zen browser. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.